Hey guys, it's Miss Potts, and I want to show you how my first grade artists make one of my favorite projects ever, our clay penguins with melted marbles. First, we grab our supplies. I use a recycled misprint piece of paper as a placemat, a little plastic clay knife, a pencil, a Pringles cup of water, and a rag. I give them a handful of clay, and then they work on rolling it into a ball using their hands and the table. I love using these rags for clay because when your hands start to get crusty, musty, and dusty, you can dip the corner of your rag in the water and use it kind of like a hand wipe. And then what I tell my students to do is stick their thumb in water and then stick it halfway in the ball and give your thumb a hat and then pinch and turn and pinch and turn. And we're pinching more into a pinch plate, not a pinch pot. You're going to need enough space for your penguin to live in this little pinch plate. Then I give my students another handful of clay. They rip it about in half and start to roll this part into another ball. Then roll it in their hands and create what I call a little Diglett. If you know Pokemon, then you know what I'm talking about. They cut the bottom off, score, and slip, and this is going to end up being our penguin body. Then they use their remaining clay to add flippers on either side of their penguin and a beak, scoring and slipping as they go. Then we add eyes and this little detail line around the penguin's head and face with just a pencil. Every year, I kind of question if my students can do this. I get a little scared when we start this project. Not only can they do it, that penguin had on a cowboy hat and sunglasses. This penguin has a Santa hat. This penguin is drinking out of a coconut on an island. We have 2 Olympic weightlifting penguins, cowboy hat penguin. This penguin is in a hot tub with sunglasses and a hat. More sunglasses on the penguins. This penguin's wearing a top hat. This penguin has a stack of pancakes on his head. This penguin's holding a baby penguin. We got king and princess penguins. And we even have this sassy little rock hopper penguin slaying with those eyebrows. And then I'll bisque fire them, and then we'll glaze them, and then we'll add our marbles of choice into our little penguin pitch plates. And we're left with the cutest little penguin trinket dishes ever. Would you try these with your first graders? Let me know in the comments.